Here we will write a Python program to find sum of numbers between given range using constructor. So first in command line we will write it. First we will declare class find sum. Then we will define constructor with init keyword with two parameters. And then we will assign self.a equal to a and self.b equal to b. Then we will write one method print sum with self keyword. Then we will declare one variable total which is initialized with 0 and we will use while loop to calculate the sum. So while self.a less than or equal to self.b, we will calculate total as total equal to total plus self.a and we will increment a. So self.a equal to self.a plus 1. Then outside the loop we will print the total. We will use formatting text. So we will use f sum of numbers between a to b equal to total. Then outside the class we will accept two numbers from the user. So a equal to int input enter first number and b equal to int input enter second number. Then we will create object for our class find sum. So f equal to find sum and we will pass a and b as a parameter. And then we will call the method print sum and we will execute this. I will enter first number as 5, second number as 10. It will print sum of numbers between 5 to 10 as 45. If you want to print the number also, we can print it in while loop as print self.a, and if we execute, I will give numbers 5 and 10. It will print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then it will print sum of numbers between 5 to 10. We can print the message here as numbers between given range, and if we execute, it will print number between given range as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then it will print sum of numbers between 5 to 10 as 45.